Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram search suggestion on iPhone and Android. Let's get started without wasting any time. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. Here, tap on search icon. Then tap on search bar at the top. So you can see these are my suggestions. Simply go to back menu from here. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three lines at the top of the page. Now tap on your activity. On the next page, swipe down to find recently searches and tap on it. So these are my recently suggestions. Simply tap on clear all next to recently searches. Tap on clear all to confirm your action. That's it. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.